benefit from the 100 trillion naira created in each state of Nigeria to protect you from poverty. Benefit from the 100 trillion naira created in each state in Nigeria to protect you from poverty. Why the need for this 100 trillion naira to be created to protect Nigerians from poverty in each state? The reason from the creation is because if you look at the Nigerian states, there is a lot of poverty. There's a lot of poverty in the country. And because of this poverty, so many Nigerians are suffering. In my first video, I talk about this 100 trillion naira. I talk about this 100 trillion naira, and I talk about what it's going to do. This is the second video, the part 2 of benefiting from the 100 trillion naira that is created in each state to protect Nigerians from poverty. This 100 trillion naira has been in Nigeria even before the British came. So I don't want you to look at it as if the 100 trillion naira is a budget from oil money. I also do not want you to have the mentality of thinking that this is a government grant to give to you for you to get it, spend it, and you will still go back to poverty. This money is not a physical money in a bank or in a government account that they are going to use to give to you so that you will come out of poverty. No. The 100 trillion naira is an idea and a system that is created in your state. The advantage of this 100 trillion naira budget is to aid you to buy and sell. Because poverty is as a result of poor selling and poor buying. And the reason why many Nigerians are poor is because they buy in liability and sell in liability. And why they are buying in liability and selling in liability is because there is no system. There is no system that gives them the leverage to buy in assets. That's why only those that are wealthy, only those that are rich are the ones that know the advantage of these systems. That's why they are rich. Dangote Group is a system. MTN is a system. Chevron, an oil company, is a system. Total is a system. Shell is a system. Yes. All these are big-time business systems. Now, when you work in this company, they can afford to pay you 1,000, 100, $1 million naira in a month. They pay some of their directors about 2-point-something million. And at their retirement, a lot of money is given to them. So this can place them in a safer financial ground. Now, if you were to be working with the government, and you are given an office, money will be allocated to that office. With that kind of money, you can eat well, you can live well, you can buy the kind of car you need, and you live in a comfortable home. At your retirement, you live rich. But how many Nigerians are privileged to be in these offices? Nigerian politician is a robust office, Nigerian politics. You are a president, you are a governor, you are a senator, you are in the State House of Assembly, you are even a local government chairman, or you are in the state, you are a governor, you live wealthy and rich because of the capital or fund that is allocated to your office. But what about the rest of Nigerians that may not have that kind of opportunity? Presently, before now, their future is to struggle. Some of them who are privileged to go into business and they have opportunity to get money to trade, they are rich. But the average Nigerian man is struggling. And out of their struggle of poverty, they have breeded different kind of crime. You have the Boko Haram today. It's as a result of poverty. You have the Alamajiris in the north. It's as a result of poverty. You have the militant in the creek in Niger Delta. It's as a result of poverty. And today, even the government is finding it difficult to remove many from this difficult terrain of poverty. That is why World Poverty Eradication System has come up with this idea. And the idea is to create wealth for you when you are buying your needs. Like you want to buy your food every day, monthly, or weekly. The World Poverty Eradication System has created an idea, has created a system that can aid you to buy so that you don't buy in liability. The reason why so many poor people buy in liability is because they don't have a system to buy in assets. You buy in liability when your salary is 30,000 and your cost of living is 75,000 naira. So you will always be in debt. But you buy in assets if you have $500,000 naira, about 500,000 naira, and your expenditure of the monthly need is about 200,000. So you have another 300,000 naira to play with. Now, the World Poverty Eradication System has come up with an idea where they will buy and sell for you. That means every day they will give you your needs. Every week they will buy this need for you. Every month they will buy this need for you. You, as a person, you also have something to sell. It could be your skill, it could be your services, it could be your product. They have a system whereby what you are selling will be bought by other persons because you are a community of persons. Now, the 100 trillion naira is budgeted for this community so that the 1 million people that I need, they will be able to use it to buy and sell. The 100 trillion naira is an electronic money where you will be using a cashless payment identity to translate it to need, product, and services. Now, the fear that this is not possible is as a result of a lot of persons who are financially ignorant of what it takes for 1 million people to exist in a community in 30 days. If a million person were to spend 1,000 naira, that's about 1 billion naira. And assuming they spend that 1,000 naira every day, that's about 30 billion in a month. Now, what World Poverty Eradication System is doing is that this need will be given to them at the beginning of the month. Now, at the end of the month, they will pay back from their earning. Now, there are some persons that do not have job right now. Jobs will be created for them. There are other persons too that are businessmen with ideas that are not being funded. They are restricted and presently they are liability. The system is going to give them the leverage to use their talent to generate and create money. In this form, none of them will be sitting down doing nothing. All of them will be creating money. So these 1 million people at the end of the month, for example, at 1,000 naira, that's about 30 billion naira. This is where this money is going to be generated from. The money is going to be generated from the needs of people, solving their problem, giving them their need, like home, cars, food, clothing, jobless men being given jobs, and men with ideas are going to be using their idea to create money. Now, some of us may be thinking that this is just a hyperbole. No, it is an idea that has come to stay, but it is only for those who believe in the ideas, who are going to run and work with the ideas. Because what makes you to be part of the idea is that every of your need will be bought, and all your product and services and business will be sold through the givers community, the givers community, the cashless payment identity, and the Trillion Mart. These are three tools that are going to be used to market the needs and the product of the people in exchange for their money. Now, this is where the 100 trillion is coming from. The 100 trillion is already existing, but it's not in a physical form. It is not organized. Because what a lot of people are not aware of is that real money is not it's not physical. It's like you want to cook food. You go to the market and get all the material and organize them to become a food. That is how a car was produced. That is how a house is produced. That is how the phone you are using today is produced. They bring individual parts together. Now, the wealth in this country, they are presently in a natural form. They are not already money that can be exchanged. Our idea is coming to organize these resources to form a material wealth for the people in order for them to be wealthy. We are now giving them fish instead of we are now teaching them how to fish instead of giving them fish. This is the idea of World Poverty Eradication System, powered by intellectual ideas for billion. So the number 2 video is to expatiate on why you should believe in the system, that it is not going to hang on fraud or falsehood, but it has a real living idea that is going to transform the life of the people. Nigeria can never grow when the people are poor. Nigeria is a poor country where a senator is earning 3 million in a month, and the average Nigerians can't earn 50,000. Now, when you look at the numbers of the senator compared to the numbers of Nigerians that are earning below 50,000, the number of the lower class is very high. That's how you look at poverty. You don't look at poverty because one man is Dangote and the rest 100 million are stranded. That's real poverty in a country. But we are talking about a situation where we can have about 1 million Dangote in this country. That's what makes America to be great. That's what makes China to be great. That's what makes Dubai to be great. The people of Dubai today, they are no longer working. They are now investing into their country, building a paradise for people to come and spend money. This is what World Poverty Eradication is doing. And the 100 trillion budgeted for this is real. And when you come into the system, you can partake. A lot of persons today that are jobless, there's a lot of job in this country. But this job, they are in a disorganized form. And World Poverty Eradication System is organizing it through Job Creator. There are a lot of systems that can create entrepreneurs in this country. But there are a lot of challenges for these people to be organized, to be able to build a system that can make their business to grow. World Poverty Eradication System has the entrepreneurship mindset to do that. Now, each of these persons that are coming into the system are not going to be left to be ignorant, because financial ignorance is the greatest challenges we are having in Africa. That's why the Financial Clinic School is on board to train and give financial information that can empower individuals, motivate them to have mental financial eyes on how to create wealth in order for them to be able to build financial strength, financial system, financial empowerment individually that will motivate them to create money. This is what World Poverty Eradication is going to do. This is how the 100 trillion naira in each state is going to be manifested and created. This is how this idea will empower 1 million persons in each state to be free from poverty. More of this information are coming in part 2 of this video. Please take your time to go to YouTube and listen to this information. Take your time to go to Financial Clinic TV on YouTube and take your time to listen to this information. We are going to be on WhatsApp, we are going to be on Facebook, we are going to be on Instagram, we are going to be on Twitter. You need this information to climb out from this junk and dungeon of poverty. We believe that when you follow this system and use it, you will never be poor again. This is what World Poverty Eradication System is placing on your palm, powered by intellectual ideas for billion. If you are wise, you should know that the world has changed. Your physical walking can never do anything for you. Your physical walking cannot give you a house. It can't give you a car. It can't give you a comfortable home. It can't take care of you and your children. You need a system. Every rich man is using a system. And you, who is in a poor financial state now, can never beat them until you use a system to equal their speed. This is what we are introducing to you. And if you are wise, you take up this leverage, you will be faster to beat the speed of thought that will equip you financially to be wealthy. Thank you very much. Like we said, World Poverty Eradication System, powered by intellectual ideas for billion. Financial Clinic TV is YouTube. Financial Clinic TV on Facebook. Financial Clinic TV on WhatsApp. Financial Clinic TV on Twitter. We are there. Our WhatsApp number is 080-637-21-777. I repeat, 080-637-21-777. You will reach us, we will reach you. We will communicate with you. And nothing is restricting you. You don't need your education, you don't need your qualification, you don't need your money. You don't even need your idea. The system will raise you up to meet up with the speed of money and you'll be financially equipped. Thank you very much. God bless you.